Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Zelle with Chase. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money with friends, family, and others you trust. To get started, you will need to have a Chase checking account and be enrolled in Chase Online or the Chase mobile app. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon and select Zelle. If you do not see Zelle in the menu, you may need to enroll in the service by following the prompts. To send money with Zelle, select Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also select a recipient from your contacts list, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. To receive money with Zelle, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited directly into your Chase account. It is important to note that Zelle transactions are typically completed within minutes, so it is essential to only send money to people you trust. You should also be aware of the daily and monthly transaction limits, which can be found in the Chase mobile app or on the Chase website. To add an additional layer of security to your Zelle transactions, make sure to only use Zelle with people you know and trust, and never send money to someone you do not know. You should also keep your Chase account and Zelle information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Zelle with Chase to quickly and easily send and receive money with friends, family, and others you trust. Remember to always use caution when sending money and to only use Zelle with people you know and trust.